Why do almost every coding tutorial, whether it's Python, C, or JavaScript, start with the same two words, "Hello World"? It might sound basic or random, but this tiny phrase actually has a rich history and a powerful purpose. Hello World isn't about teaching complex logic. It's a simple test that proves your code runs, your setup is correct, and your computer is responding to you, like flipping a switch and seeing the light turn on. The phrase dates back to the early 1970s when Brian Kernighan used it in a C programming manual as a demo output, and it quickly spread to other languages and tutorials, becoming the universal first step for programmers everywhere. Even today, it remains the fastest way to get that first spark of success because seeing "Hello World" on your screen means you wrote valid code, your environment works, and the computer is essentially talking back to you. That interaction, even as plain text, gives beginners a tiny but powerful confidence boost, marking their first step into the programming world. So next time you type "Hello World," remember you're following a decades-old tradition shared by millions, welcoming you into the vast world of coding. What was your first Hello World language? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this explainer, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech insights here on Code Easy.